Today I'm going to show you how to record video without going live in StreamYard. So if you are using StreamYard to just record and not actually go live, let's say you want to click on go live and then skip your destination and add a pre-recorded video, then you can do exactly that. So let's click on recording, add in a title here. So let's just say new recording, and then we are going to click over here. So this local recordings, the highest quality recordings with individual audio as well as video files for each participant. It's necessary for 4K Ultra HD. This means that if you are doing a recording of somebody on your destination as well as a remote destination, you will have to then click this, open this up, and this will allow you to record your audio, your video, and the other user's audio and video locally on their files, on their device. Okay, let's click on create recording. Here we are going to go into the section where we will start setting it up. Now, here you can mute, you can stop your cam. Right now I'm going to stop my cam because I don't want you to see me. Then you can also change your settings. Here you can see they are general settings. So we've got resolution. Right now it's in 720. You may want to just bump it up. If you are on the paid plan, you can bump it up. And also see your orientation, your display information, your videos, your audio avatars, and then you can also automatically add presented media to storage. All right, then we've got your camera settings. You can change your camera settings, audio settings, visual effects, which are fantastic. You can add virtual backgrounds, color effects, so forth, all of these lovely things. And then your recording. Okay, so this local recording we're going to turn on if we want to record locally for each participant. Your hotkeys to help you start your recording and end your recordings, and then your guest options over here. Now once you're done, you can see that we have a display name that we're going to enter, and click on enter studio. Now we are in the studio, and we can click on record on the top right hand side over here, and we can pre-record our video that we want to stream at a later stage. Once we're done, we can go ahead and click on, if it does say add destination, you to add a destination. But if you have not yet, if you have already added a destination, you'll see stream over here. You're going to start your stream, and then you'll be able to then upload the recording that you just made, as well as with its edits, and then you can upload and air a live stream of your pre-recorded video.